Luis Villa Garcia holds the world record for remembering the most digits of pi, an impressive 100,000 numbers. Most of us won't be able to match that feat, but we can teach you the technique he used to do it. Believe it or not, it's easier than you think. Recent research has shown that our memory and brain function are closely related to our lifestyle and daily habits. To further enhance our cognitive abilities, here are 6 scientifically backed tips. The Memory Palace Technique. The Memory Palace Technique, also known as the method of Lossy, has been around since ancient Greece. It is one of the most popular tricks used by memory athletes. Now, how does it work? Imagine a familiar place, such as your childhood home or your favorite park. Then place the information you want to remember at different locations with its mental space. This helps form a strong connection between the information and the physical location, making it easy to recall when needed. This technique requires some practice to master, but once you do, it's incredible. You can use it to remember anything from your own grocery list to a difficult speech. Association. Association is an effective way to remember things. It involves connecting new information with something you already know, making it easier to recall later. For example, if you want to remember a new person's name, try associating it with a celebrity or a friend who has the same name. You can also create a vivid image or physical sensation in your head to help you remember. The more imaginative and multisensory your association is, the easier it will be to recall the information. Mental exercises. Exercising your brain is just as important as working out your body. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku, and other brain games are enjoyable ways to stimulate your mind and enhance your memory. Additionally, attempting something new every day, such as learning a new language or playing a musical instrument, is an excellent way to challenge your brain and keep it sharp. Repetition. Repetition is a proven memory technique to help remember something new. Say it out loud several times. Lifestyle changes. Taking care of your body is essential for sharp memory. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and eat a balanced diet with brain-boosting foods such as fruit, vegetables, and whole grains. To reduce stress, try exercise, meditation, or finding a hobby you enjoy. Get organized and take notes. Organizing your notes is essential. In his book, Building a Second Brain, Tiago Forte argues that your brain should be used for creativity, not for memorization. To remember things, use a note system. Our favorite note system is Notion, and we left you a link in the description below. They offer both free and paid plans and are introducing an AI assistant. In conclusion, science has shown that improving your memory and enhancing your cognitive abilities can be easier than you expected. There are lots of ways to give your memory a boost, from lifestyle changes to fun mental exercises. Give these tips a try and enjoy a sharper memory. Thank you for watching. Why not show your support by giving us a like, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos.